Have you ever wondered how to keep your app data safe? Today, we explore best practices for securing your Flutter apps. First, let's talk about why security matters. Data breaches can lead to identity theft and loss of trust. Flutter apps need robust security measures for user protection. Now, let's introduce encryption. Encryption converts data into unreadable code. This protects information during storage and transmission. Use libraries like Encrypt or Crypto for easy implementation. Next, we focus on user authentication. Authentication verifies a user's identity before granting access. Consider using Firebase authentication for seamless integration. It supports multiple sign-in methods like email and social media. Step 3 is storing sensitive data safely. Avoid hard-coding secrets or API keys in your codebase. Instead, use tools like Flutter Secure Storage. This storage encrypts data and ensures privacy. Now, let's talk about secure API communication. Always use HTTPS to encrypt data transmitted over the Internet. This protects against interception and eavesdropping. Another point is to avoid exposing sensitive user data. Minimize the amount of personal data collected in your app. Keep user interactions minimal and necessary for functionality. For better security practices, consider regular updates. Updating dependencies keeps your app safe from vulnerabilities. Also, educate users on using strong passwords. Encourage users to change passwords regularly and avoid reusing them. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine an app that stores financial data. By applying these security measures, you protect users from fraud. Encryption ensures nobody can access sensitive transactions without permission. Authentication verifies only legitimate users can see the data. In summary, keep your Flutter apps secure through encryption and authentication. Always store sensitive data safely and use secure communication protocols. Educate users about strong passwords and privacy. Review your Flutter app today and implement these security best practices. Protect your users and enhance their trust in your application. Together, let's create a safer digital environment. Drop a like and subscribe to help the channel grow.